Okay, for our second part of today's lesson, we're going to look at adding sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add sound when my sprite hits one of my red rectangles, which means that he needs to be sent backwards. So if we look at our codes over here, we've got motion, looks, and then we come across sound. So I need to scroll down and I need to look at the section where if my sprite touches this colour, he'll move back 10 spaces. And I'm going to start the sound of a pop when that happens. So now if I move my sprite, you can hear when he goes against that red mark there, it makes that pop sound. Now, if I wanted to change that pop sound, if I go onto sounds here, you can see that you can speed the sound up, slow it down, make it louder, softer, fade in, fade out, or to sound like a robot. So as an example, if I click on softer, okay, you can see that that pop changes. So you can select how you would like it to sound. So if that's how I want it to sound, and I go back to my code, you can hear that when I move my sprite, it makes that sound. Now, if we're thinking about when our sprite reaches the end of its journey, so it's managed to get on to the next level, you can also record your own sounds. So there's a little arrow here. If you click on that arrow, you'll see that it says record, okay? And then it should come up with something that looks like this, and you can record your own sound. So I might say, yay! And if I stop, and then you can crop the part that you want. So I need to make it here. Make it a little bit longer there. Okay, so I'm going to save that sound. So you can see now that's come up as recording one. So I'm going to rename that as a yay. So that is the sound when my sprite has managed to reach the end. Again, we could slow it down, make it faster. Okay, so now I'm going to go start sound, yay, when my sprite touches the green colour. So if I move my sprite around my obstacle course now, to make his pop sound, okay, which means that he knows that he's hit an obstacle course. So we keep going. And then we can hear that it makes my yay sound when my sprite manages to get to the end. It's a little bit delayed, so that's something that I might have to have a little look at my algorithm to make sure that as soon as that sprite hits that colour, he is making that sound. So you can have a go at recording your own sounds and adding them into your game.